Advocate Ashfaq Ahmed sir. I will call him to please come on the stage. So will deliver a speech on trial procedure of criminal cases.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम उदू इला सबील रब्बिका बिल हिकमति वल मौइज़तिल हसना कुंतुम खैरा उखरिजातु लिन्नास तामुरूना बिल मारूफ व तनहौना अनिल मुनकर सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ल्लाहु रसूलुहुल करीम अम्मा बाद I would like to take a session on the subject of how to become a good criminal lawyer. As earlier I have told before you that how to become a good advocate in criminal segment. I have corrected it. Criminal trial is most powerful tool as a law student, as an advocate. If you ask me a question that how many person who are practicing in criminal segment in the district court, sessions court, high court and Supreme Court of India, I have to tell you, then in Supreme Court 2%, in the High Court 2%, and in the District and Session Court 1%. It is average percentage of the advocate who are practicing in criminal segment. That is why it is, as a student of law, it is important to us that we have to learn the skills, the art of trial. Can you tell me what is trial? Can anyone would like to tell what is the definition of trial? What do you understand about trial? Tell me. Anyone from the student? ट्रायल किसको कहा जाता है? ट्रायल काके बोले? কেউ যদি বলতে পারে যে ট্রায়ালটা কি জিনিস, কি বোঝো তোমরা ট্রায়াল সম্পর্কে? কেউ বলতে পারবে? বলো না, আরে সাহস করে বলো, অসুবিধা কি আছে? হ্যাঁ, ওই কি নাম তোমার? সরফরাজ। গুড। ট্রায়াল কি জিনিস তোমার কি মনে হয়? ট্রায়ালটা কি? ক্রিমিনাল ট্রায়াল কি? চার্জ ফ্রেম। ওকে, ট্রায়ালটা কেন করা হয়? ওকে, গুড 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 গুড। আদার্স, ক্যান এনিওয়ান? Daud Mullah, can you tell?
I can say that trial is a whole procedure after the framing of charges. It includes examination, cross-examination, presenting the statement, written statement, everything, by which a judge can observe the whole case and give its judgment unbiasedly and by stating the whole of the facts of a case.
Can we, without a trial, can judge pass judgment? Without, can anyone give the answer? Without a judgment, can judge pass judgment? Order? No. Can't pass the judgment. Even in this scenario, there are RG matter which is now a very burning issue in the state. RG matters. Lots of people asked me what Supreme Court does, what Supreme Court will do for the RG matter, how they punish the culprits. I have told the media also in that regard. It is my reply. I gave reply to media that Supreme Court can't conduct trial. High Court can't conduct trial. In the CRPC, or which is replaced by Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, where it is clearly mentioned that trial should be conducted in the session court or the court below, and magistrate court also. It depends on the provision of the section which is imposed for the particular offence. So High Court and Supreme Court can't punish anyone without having trial, and even High Court and Supreme Court can't conduct the trial. The session court and district court and the magistrate court, they are conducting the trial, and they should conduct the trial according to our legal system, criminal legal system. I would like to tell you the things in the case. First of all, any criminal case, any offense, when it is occurred in certain place or certain area, first of all, the person we can call him as an informant, and as a law we can call him informant or the complainant. If any offense is happening before you, then you should complain before any police station, before the officer in charge of the police station, and after that, if the complaint is being written, or after going through that particular complaint, officer in charge and officer in charge OC has imposed a duty to a IO who is called as a investigation officer, who registered the FIR. What is FIR? First Information Report. First Information Report is the genesis of the criminal procedure or criminal case. On the basis of the complaint, on the basis of the FIR, on the basis of certain complaint, FIR is being registered, and after FIR being registered, police officer, IO, investigation officer is doing investigating the matter. After the investigating the matter, police should submit a charge sheet. We call as charge sheet, and after the charge sheet, police investigation officer included all the things: how many witnesses are there, what is the offense, how the incident happened, and which time incident happened, how it is came to knowledge. Everything has been mentioned. Even private witness, even government witness, or any other witness which is relevant is being mentioned in the charge sheet. After the charge sheet, what will happen? After the charge sheet, charge frame has been done. What is charge frame? If you the accused, if you the person alleged accused, you should have been called by the judges by summon, and after summon you have to come before the court or session court where trial should be done. You should have been asked the question, have you, these are the incidents, have you done this, these are the offenses, have you done this particular section, these are the offenses, have you done it? When you said no, I am innocent, as a trial lawyer you should have known the after the charge frame or when charge frame is going on, one argument should be done that in the charge sheet the particular offense has been imposed by the officer in charge, that should be imposed or not. On the basis of that you should argue. If the relevant things are coming before you, then you should convince the judge. After convincing, lots of sections will be dropped out from the case, and if the prosecution argue the matter, lots of section has been imposed and added in the trial. So first of all, there are first things which is happened, charge frame. When you said I am innocent, then trial should be done. It is right. After trial, everything, whatever the judgments, whatever the punishment should be pronounced. If the person in the trial it is proved, then person is the innocent, then definitely he will be acquitted. And if the person is the convict, then he will be punished. Have you got my point? Are you getting my point? Okay. আমি কি ইসে বলবো নাকি বাংলায় বলবো নাকি? তো আপনাদের বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে আমার কতখানি মনে হচ্ছে, কারণ রেসপন্স আসছে না। রেসপন্সটা আমি দেওয়ার জন্য আপনাদেরকে বলছি যে ট্রায়ালের তাহলে প্রথম জিনিসটা কি হলো? প্রথম জিনিস হচ্ছে এফআইআর। এফআইআরটা হচ্ছে মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। এফআইআরটা কমপ্লেন্টের বেসিসে এফআইআর হবে, এফআইআর এর পরে চার্জ ফ্রেম হবে। চার্জ ফ্রেমের পরেই খেলা, গেম ইজ স্টার্ট। চার্জ ফ্রেমের পরেই খেলা শুরু। কি খেলা? খেলাটা কি হবে?